Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another video. Today I am hella excited because today we're going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star box. I'm hella excited to open up this box because you guys have no idea. I'm so excited, but before we get started, I do want to tell you guys that Vlogmas, like you guys know, changed a little bit. So I was going to do Vlogmas all 25 days in this beauty channel on my main channel, this one where you're watching right now, but I decided I didn't want to leave my vlogging channel without any content. So Vlogmas will be on my vlogging channel and in this channel. So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday I will upload Vlogmas on my vlog channel, and in this channel I will upload Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So please make sure to go subscribe to my vlogging channel. There is the link down below in the description box. Turn on your post notifications because even if I'm uploading on the vlogging channel, the giveaways are still going to continue. You guys know that in every single video of Vlogmas I am doing a giveaway, so stay tuned because Jeffree Star Cosmetics is going to be in the giveaways and you don't want to miss it. For the giveaway for today's video, it is this beautiful palette, and if you want to know how to win this palette, then make sure to stay tuned towards the end of the video because I'll tell you how you can enter a chance to win this palette. So I am super excited. Now there was a lot of different boxes. There was $30 boxes, $80 boxes, and $175. I got the $80 box, which I'm so excited, and I also ordered two $30 mystery boxes, which I still have not received. I emailed Jeffree Star Cosmetics and they said that it might take a little bit longer due to the holidays and to the high demand of everyone shopping mystery boxes. So if this video gets to 4,000 likes, yes, I know we can make it happen, 4,000 likes, I will go ahead and unbox the other two $30 mystery boxes, and I'm going to be giving away one mystery box to one of you guys. So make sure to go ahead and hit that like button and share with all your friends. Without any further ado, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and let's get started with the unboxing.
Most famous reindeer of all, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Okay, so I pre-opened the box. Now, I have not seen what is inside. The only person that has opened this box and seen what is inside is Jason, my boyfriend, because I specifically asked him if he could please go through the entire box, go to Jeffree Star Cosmetics, look everything up that's in the box, and write down the prices so I can give you guys the prices and I can see if the box was worth it or not worth it. Because I figured the video will be extremely long if I sit here, try to look for the prices, and then give them to you and all that stuff. So, I have everything written down here, but I try not to look at it because I don't want to cheat and I really want to be excited and for you guys to get my first impression. The only thing I have tried of Jeffree Star is one of the palettes that he first came out with, and if you guys have not seen the prank, well, let me just tell you, roll it.
She's gonna kill me. Okay guys, I think I did enough.
So as you can see, my boyfriend did play a prank on me where he destroyed my Jeffree Star palette and I almost had a heart attack, and then with time I did give it away to one of my relatives, so I no longer have any Jeffree Star cosmetic products. So I'm hella excited to open this box. So we're gonna open it up, and once you open it up, this is what it looks like. Ooh, it's actually pretty heavy. It's just like with his typical Jeffree Star logo and a whole bunch of question marks for the mystery box with pink tissue paper. So I'm gonna put the box down and we're gonna start opening and see what is in here. Okay, first layer of tissue paper. All tissue paper is gone. Ooh, yes. Okay, where do I get started? Okay, so this is the Baby Daddy. Holy, oh my god, I wanted this. I wanted this friggin' color. This is Baby Daddy. This is the Velour liquid lipstick. Now these are $18 each. Yes, I'm hella excited for this. Let's open it up. Oh my god, I had never owned one of these. They look so nice. I've heard nothing but good things about his liquid lipstick. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch this one. Oh, that is a beautiful nude color. Heck yeah. And I love nudes and they smell really nice. Okay, so this is the first one. This is Baby Daddy. And again, this one is $18. Okay, we're gonna put this one back. Ooh, girl, I'm excited. I see another Velour liquid lipstick. This one is in Delicious. This is more of like a purple color. We're gonna open this one up. Oh, this is not actually a purple. Yeah, it is kind of purple, huh? Ooh, that is so pretty though. This is really nice. Wow. I'm surprised. I'm excited. I really wanted to get the 175 one, but I was like, ooh, should I get 175 for just one box or should I get 180 and two 30 ones? And I was like, I'd rather get 3 boxes instead of one. So I got 3 boxes. Okay, this is another Velour. This is watermelon soda. This one would be like really nice for like the summer. This is like a bright pink. Let's open it up. Got a little too much product, but we'll just work with it. Look at that one. That is a pretty pink though. I really like it. These are definitely colors that I would wear, which makes me so happy because I was kind of afraid. I was like, oh, what if I get like a green or a blue? Like those colors are super cool, but honestly I wouldn't wear them like on my everyday makeup routine. So super excited that I got these 3 shades. And then I have one. This is, oh no way. This is Fudge Pop. This is a metallic color. Let's see. Oh, that is such a pretty brown metallic. You can see how it's like kind of shiny. Now, honestly, I don't know if I would wear this lippy because it's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but you never know. I'm still gonna keep it in my makeup box to see if maybe one day I end up using it. So I did get 4 of these and they are each $18. So at the end, I will be adding everything up and tell you guys if the box was worth it or not. So 4 Velour liquid lipsticks for $18 is not bad so far. And then I see this, which this one is a lip ammunition, and to this one is an allegedly, love how he named this. Okay, and these are, let's see, $18 as well. The packaging is so nice. It is so Jeffree, super pink, glittery. I love it. Oh, come on. Yes. This color is so nice. Look at that one. I'm definitely, so far I'm really happy with the box because I really got really pretty colors and they're really nice. This one is Jeffree's Girl, and this one is also a lip ammunition. Let's take this one out. This one is about the same packaging, except this one doesn't have any of the glitter going on. It's just all solid pink. Really nice. We're gonna, ooh, this is definitely like a Barbie pink color. Really love it. This kind of reminds me of the one that we swatched, which was Watermelon Soda, but this one's more of like a really pink color. So we're gonna swatch it right here. Oh yeah, that is definitely more of like a bubblegum pink, a Barbie pink. I really like it. It's really nice. Now, I got 2 of these and they're each $18, like I said. I'm gonna put this one back. Okay, then I have, oh my god, I have been trying to get my hands on one of these because I've been wanting to try them for the longest. These are the Skin Frost. These are each $29 and I have 2 of them. Hello, these things are huge. These things are ginormous. Okay, let's see. We're gonna open it up. First, we're gonna open up Regina George. I love how he names like Regina George. Wow, that is like a pink Skin Frost. This is so awesome. I would definitely not wear it as more of a highlight, but I can make it work. I can use this as maybe for like the inner corner, a drop shadow, or maybe for like all over my lid. I'm definitely not gonna let this product go to waste. I'm gonna grab this, is the Morphe M501. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just apply it. Should we apply it on this side? Let's do this side. Can you see it? It's actually a very settled pink. Wow, I'm actually quite surprised. I was expecting it to be a more like bam, all up in your face, but it's actually very settled. I'm kind of like swirling it in there. Okay, now we're starting to get some of the pigment. All right, now you can definitely see the pink. Okay, pink, I see you. Yes, look at that. Okay, this is what the Skin Frost looks like. It's actually not too bad. I would definitely wear this when I'm trying to create more of like a more crazy look, more outgoing, when I'm testing out new products, new looks, whenever I'm going out to like a rave concert. When I want to be a little extra, I would definitely wear it. It's actually really pretty. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's not even that bad. I really like it. It's really nice, and I can still see the glowness even though it's pink. So really like this one. And this one again is in Regina George. I still can't get over how big these are. Like, whoa, this is my hand, and this is the Skin Frost. It's huge. And then I have Dark Horse, and this one again is $29. Ta-da! And we're gonna open it up. Whoa. Yes, I am so excited for this one. I also really love how big the mirror is because literally you can see like your entire face. Really, really like that. I had not even noticed that. I just noticed it right now and I love it. Holy moly, this one is pigmented. She is pigmented. The pink one I was kind of having a little trouble by like kind of like putting it on the brush. It didn't want to pick up a lot, but this one literally picked up so much. Okay, let's do this side now. Oh, this one is really pretty. Oh yeah. It definitely is not for my skin tone color, but I'm not letting this color go to waste. This is a really pretty color. I feel like this will be perfect for like an inner corner all over the lid when you do kind of like a cut crease. I really like it. It's very nice. It kind of has like a gold undertone, more of like a copper color. I really do like it. And we're gonna swatch it on the hand so you guys can see what it looks like. See, this one is definitely way much more pigmented than the pink one, as you can see. You can see it even a little bit more. So there you go. Regina George, and we have a Dark Horse on this side. I really like the formula of them. I felt like with the pink one I struggled a little bit more to pick it up from the brush because it was a little bit hard to pick up any product from it, but with the Dark Horse, literally I went in and it was like, hello. All the pigment was just on the brush right away. I'm so happy so far with the box. I really do like it. Okay, now let's see. Oh, we got a pop socket. This is so cute. It just has a Jeffree Star logo on it. Really do like it. I definitely need one for my phone. I'm definitely gonna be putting this on my phone. I really like it. Something simple and cute. Now, I did get, oh, I got a shirt, a t-shirt. This one's in the size large. Now, let me tell you a quick little story. When I was trying to get the boxes, I was on my phone and I was on Wi-Fi, obviously. I was on my phone trying to get the mystery boxes, and Jason was on the computer trying to get as many mystery boxes as we could. When we were in the middle of checking out, because everything did say that it came with merch, small, medium, or large, and we literally had everything in our car with the size small because I wear small, and literally as soon as we checked out, it said processing your order, and guess what? The power went off in the house and we lost Wi-Fi, we lost all the power, and we were so upset. By the time the power came back on, we still logged on and there were still boxes, but all the merch was in a size large, and I was a little bit sad because I did want to wear like the t-shirts or hoodies or hats, all that kind of stuff. I wanted to wear it out, but I couldn't get anything besides large, and I was like, you know what? There's always a bright side to everything. I was like, you know what? If I get any merch, a hoodie, whether it's a hoodie, a shirt, or anything, and if it's a size large, it's okay. I'll wear it for like PJs or just to be around the house or just to be laying around the house just being cozy. And I got a large t-shirt, so it's okay. And oh, it's actually pretty simple. I really like it. It just says Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's all black. So that is what I got. So let me tell you everything that I got. So I got 2 Skin Frost, and they're each $29. I got a lip lamination, $18 each, and I got 2 of those, which, okay, again, Skin Frost, 2 of these for $29. And then we got 2 lip lamination for $18, 2 of these. And then we got 4 velour lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, and these are $18 as well, and we have 4 of them. We got 1 t-shirt for $25, and the pop socket, it actually has no price on the website. I think Jason couldn't even find it. So the box did come with 10 items with a total of $173, not including the pop socket since we couldn't find a price for this. Well, Jason couldn't. And it claims to save $120 in savings. I saved around $110 including taxes and everything. So I did not save $120 like it claimed. I saved like around $110, but girl, I'm honestly super pleased with the box. I really do like it. I'm super excited that I finally have a lot of Jeffree Star cosmetic products because like I told you guys, I honestly didn't have a lot of Jeffree Star cosmetics. I only had that one palette, and then I gave it away to one of my relatives from Mexico because they wanted some makeup, so I just gave it to them. And I am just so pleased that he came out with mystery boxes. I cannot wait to receive the 2 $30 mystery boxes and open up and see what's inside. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so we can get it to 4,000 likes and I can review the 2 $30 mystery boxes, and I'll give one of them away to one of you guys. And for yesterday's giveaway, congratulations to you. Please go ahead and message me on this email that appears on the screen so you can go ahead and claim your prize. Now guys, please go ahead and claim your prizes. I tried my best to do a giveaway in every single vlogmas, and today, until today, no one has claimed anything whatsoever of what I have given away. No one has claimed anything, so please, please, please make sure to claim your prizes. You have until the 25th of December to claim your prizes. If by the 26th no one claims anything, guys, I'm going to gather up all the makeup that no one claimed from vlogmas, and I'm going to give it all the way to one lucky pita chip. So I'm gonna do one huge giveaway for just one person with all the products that no one has claimed, because girl, we're literally in like what, day 6 or day 7 of vlogmas and no one has claimed anything, and that makes me so sad. And I'm like, are my giveaways not good enough, or what is it? Like, no one's claiming them, and I love giving back to you guys. You guys know that, so no one has claimed it. So please make sure to go ahead and claim claim your prize. And please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the vlogging channel and to this channel. Turn your post notifications so you can get notified every single time I upload a video. And you never know, you might be one of the lucky winners. And I know you guys are waiting to know how you can enter this giveaway right here. So to enter the giveaway, it is super easy to win this palette. All you literally have to do is show consistent love. Go like my recent Instagram picture, go show love on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. Just show love. It is super easy. That's all you have to do, and I will announce the winner in tomorrow's video. That's what I'm telling you. Please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the vlogging channel and this channel, and turn your post notifications so I can notify you when I upload a video. And that is about it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.